So I love the fact that LAPD is not having it. Or I should just say Los Angeles County. They are frustrated with the fact that Aiden Leos is being laid to rest today and his memorial and everything. And at the same time, their suspects were apprehended. So I think that it was really important for them to get them behind bars and charged immediately. Also, they did mention that you have to do it within 48 hours or let them go. So I love that they cracked down and made all this happen. So Aiden Leos, you rest in peace, baby boy. We got you.
Is the danger and the potential greater risk to the community. I know enough about the case to know that we're dealing with a murder charge, a shooting from a car, at a car, and the death of a small child.
The arraignments in Judge Larry Yellen's courtroom are still virtual due to COVID. There was not much to see. On the big monitor, the alleged shooter, Marcus Ariz, in a small box bottom center. The driver, Win Lee, had no video up at all. That's the judge on the far right. Neither defendant entered a plea. The case continued.
Today I am charging Marcus Anthony Ariz with a violation of Penal Code Section 187, murder.
Orange County District Attorney Todd Spitzer charged Ariz with murder and discharging a firearm into an occupied vehicle. Win Lee was charged with being an accessory after the fact, a felony, and the misdemeanor of having a concealed firearm.
We would not file any of these charges if we could not prove them beyond a reasonable doubt. So with respect to the charges against both, I absolutely am convinced they're rock solid.
Also rock solid, the community's determination to help catch those responsible for 6-year-old Aiden Leos' shocking death back on May 21st during what was called a road rage shooting. Outrage over the incident, plus a reward of $500,000, led to hundreds of tips from the public and eventually the 2 arrests.
We all related to this. We all related to this situation of just driving our little boy to school and suddenly he's dead. Crying, "Mommy, my tummy hurts."
We're going to be back in court June 18th to do all this again, Christine and Marla. The defendant, Lee, had a public defender, an alternate public defender in the courtroom. Ariz had a public defender in the jail via video. Neither of the defense attorneys would say anything to reporters about the nature of these charges, about what the defendants have said, if anything. So he remains in bail. It was doubled to $2 million. Her bail was reduced to $500,000. Neither one of them expected to post bail, of course, anytime soon. Live in Santa Ana, I'm Phil Schuman, Fox 11 News.
All right, Phil, thank you.